In this video, we will see how the operator converted to number works. And for this, I have an input here in which when I type, I'm counting the numbers that I have entered in this input and I'm displaying it below the input. So what I'm doing here is I'm counting the numbers in the input, and along with that, I'm subtracting it with the maximum number of characters that I'm allowing here, which is 250. And so we can see that 7 characters have been entered and 243 characters here are remaining that can be typed in this input. And in this calculation, we are using the operator converted to number. Now, how this gets applied in work, we will see in iReader. And here in iReader, in the text that is displaying the value that we just saw, we have a mathematical calculation in which we have two values. The first is the number of characters in the multi-line input. So that's the first expression, which is multi-line inputs value, and we are using the operator number of characters here to count the number of characters in the inputs value. Now, after this, we have used a arbitrary text operator in which we are entering a static number or a text, which is 250. So this is a text here, and I want to use this value in the arbitrary text in our mathematical calculation. So for this, I have to convert it into a number. And for this, we have to apply the operator converted to number. And this will turn the text that we have entered in the arbitrary text into a number, which can then be used in the mathematical calculation that we are doing. So now this operator converted to a number has converted the text 250 into the number 250. And then we can operate mathematical operations in this, which we are using the subtraction, and we are subtracting the number of characters in the input that we have typed. So this will then deduct the number from 250, the value that we are entering in the multi-line input. So this is how the operator converted to number can be used to convert a text value into a number, and then mathematical calculations can be applied over it. So that's it for the operator converted to number, and that's how this operator works in Bubble. So to learn about more such operators, follow the bubblingo operator series. Thank you. Check out bubblingo.com for more such resources.